Hi there, I'm Jimmy and I'm going to take you through the new Foresight Effects back office. If you look down the left hand side, you'll see lots of various links, which are the links you're mainly going to be using when you're inside Foresight Effects. So let's take a look at those now. The first one here is Connect with Us, and that's where you can connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. We recommend you do this because we're going to be a lot more active on the social networks as we go forward. The next link is very, very important. This is the Getting Started Crash Course link. If you click on that, it will take you to this page. Now, it's very important that you click on the Foresight Effects Trading Manual. If you click on that, you'll be able to download a PDF document which walks you through our strategy. Let me just give you a look at that now. This is what it looks like. It's 32 pages, and what we've done is we've condensed all of the important steps of using our system into one document. It takes you through the back office and how to read the forecast page, and it also gives you these pictures and examples that you can use to make sure that everything is absolutely clear. It shouldn't take you long to read this, and once you've been through it, the daily forecast videos and everything else is going to make a lot more sense. So the idea of this is to get you trading with us as quickly as possible. So please download that, go through it, print it out, have it on your desk next to you, and also if there's any ways you think we could improve it, please let us know and we'll do that. The other videos on this page are the Foresight Effects Roadmap and how to use our service. These are videos made by Carlos, which will give you a bit more of an insight into the website and how to use it, but just remember that these videos are actually going to look a little bit different from this back office we're looking at now, just because they're brought over from our previous website. But that's nothing to worry about, all the information is still relevant. Now, this is the MetaTrader 4 Basics section. If you're quite new to Forex trading in general, then this will be useful for you to go to. It's really just a quick video that walks you through the parts of MetaTrader 4 that you're going to need to be able to trade with us. It isn't really in depth about MetaTrader 4, it's just literally the specific things you'll be needing to trade with Foresight Effects. Now, here's the daily forecast section. This is actually probably the most important page on the website, and this is the page you will automatically land on when you log in. So let me just take you through that now. Every day, Carlos will record a new video and he will update this page. Once that's done, he will send an email out to all of the members. Now, as soon as you get that email, if you log in, this is the page that you'll land on. This is really the most important page. As you can see here, it says today's forecast is for July the 30th, so the date will always be updated there. Underneath, you'll see the 4 pairs that we're going to be trading. We've got the cable, the euro, the Aussie, and the gopher. Now, if you look at the bottom of those boxes, you'll notice it's blue. That's the bit that you need to be looking at, really, because that's the instruction for how we're going to be trading that day. For example, today we had a sell trade, a sell trade, a sell trade, and a buy trade. And you'll notice it says using pivot step system. So don't worry about that at the moment if you don't understand what that means, because that's all explained in the user guide. It'll make perfect sense once you've been through that. Remember that we always trade with the trend and with the momentum. So, you know, if there is no big trend going on, if the setups just aren't there on a particular day, you'll notice it'll say no trade in there. If it is a no trade day, you will still get a forecast video and Carlos will explain the reasons why he's calling a no trade. So let's just move down and see the forecast videos. So what you'll notice here is that we have today's forecast video and we have the forecast video from yesterday. So that's really just there for your convenience, to be honest. If that's that one from yesterday, you can have a look over it and see how things went. And then today's forecast video usually starts with a review of how yesterday went. Then we move on to today's forecast, and if the opportunity is there, quite often Carlos will add some extra training. So yeah, just click on those videos to play. This is the volume control.
Hey everybody, Carlos here from Foresight.
And if you want to make the video bigger, just click on that and the whole screen will fill up with the video so you can watch it. Okay, let's have a look at the next section, which is the synergy zone and the targets. Every day you're going to want to plot these figures on your MetaTrader 4 for the pair that you're looking to trade. So this is the synergy zone numbers and these are the targets. Now, it's very simple to get these numbers. You just highlight them, right click, copy, and you can head over to MetaTrader 4. Once you've plotted them all, it will look something like this. This is a pretty good example of a sell setup. Don't pay too much attention to the numbers because I've just plotted this just to show you as an example, but what we would be expecting in this scenario is for price to shoot up into the synergy zone and then head down towards the targets. So that's a pretty classic sort of sell setup that we see quite often when trading with Foresight effects. Okay, moving down, there's just a bit of information here which is useful that you can read through yourself. And then here we also have today's news reports and snapshot. If you click on that, it will take you to this page and it will show you all of the news reports that are going on for that day. This is important because we trade price action, which is patterns on the charts. But if you are going to be trading during a time when a news report is released, the news report can drastically affect the price patterns that we're looking at. So it's very important to not be trading when specific reports are coming out. The red ones you can see here are high impact reports, and these are the ones that are most likely to disrupt price. So personally, I don't trade when one of those is released, and Carlos recommends the same thing. Okay, moving on to the next section. This is the vault. We put this section here because many of our members asked for it. What they wanted was to keep all of the forecasts in one place, so that if there's one that they particularly like with some really good training, they can go back to it and they can watch it over and over and over again. So this has been a very, very popular section for us. Okay, below the vault you'll see this extra training session. If we head over there and click on that, I'll show you what's behind it. Here we see the Forex Masterclass, which is a webinar that Carlos did a little while back, which explains the pivot step system amongst other things. And if we scroll down, you'll also see Streetwise Money Management. This section is available to both full members and trial members. So if you're a trial member, definitely take some time out to take a look at that. Below this extra training section, there's the VIP training videos. This is only available to full members, and this is where the bulk of our sort of main training program is located. As you can see, we've got lots and lots of videos, and if you want to check out any of these videos, all you have to do is just click on the one you want and it will take you straight down there. Then click on the video and you can watch it. We've tried to put these bullet points here to give you a good idea of what's in every video so you can find exactly what you're looking for. So now let's have a look at the very last section. This is the recommended broker section, and if you click on that, we will often have special deals with recommended brokers which are strictly just for our subscribers. So have a look in there from time to time, and if we can find any excellent deals, we'll make sure we pass them on to you. So that is everything for this Getting Started course. Now head over to the Getting Started section and download the Foresight Effects Trading Manual. Go through that as soon as you can, print it out, put it on your desk, and you'll be ready to trade with us when the next forecast videos are ready. Also, don't forget to go up here and connect with us because we're on Twitter and Facebook as well. Alright, thanks a lot.